So I want to send people, I want to find people. Let me tell you something. You see me, I mean one and God mark. I want to send them, whoever I want to send them. Watch a joke in this country. Watch a revolution where we are start here, so. No. Jamaica, let me ask you one question. Yeah? So I sit on the Star where Rhoda, the MP, Central Manchester, nice young lady, based on where we meet the eye, right? And you're telling me that no, it is a big talk and a big discussion all over. The newspaper and everybody are waste quality time to talk about what? An alleged relationship between Andrew HOLNESS and Rhoda, and all the fact that Juliet HOLNESS give her a cold shoulder. With all due respect, I don't give a rat's ass as to who Andrew want there with, or who Mark Golden want there with, or who Rhoda want there with. We don't care. We no business with that. There are far too much important things in the friggin' country for us to be majoring in those minor things. We don't give a rat's ass. Who want there with who have found a business? I am concerned about the fact that there's a rapid global shift in how we trade. The BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, BRICS, go do no research. 97 countries will be joining the BRICS. Jamaica is not a part of that. Why? Because the US dollar a crash and nobody not talk about in the damn sitting. Nobody in the flipping country is talking about this thing. You have a big old fat one from over nationwide. Who him sit down every day like some big old mama lashy. A gossip about garbage. When him should be the one talking about these things and what the government should be doing. When the Ministry of Finance should be protecting the Jamaican people from something that is coming by now in September the latest. I am not a financial advisor. I am not offering financial advice. Everything is for educational purposes. Yeah? But I am very much aware as to what is happening. The news did about una promote them news. Una still a try to hang on to the dirty banking system that we have here. That has failed the Jamaican people miserably. People money are going missing like a nut in your NCB on the attack. On the attack, say cryptocurrency is now the order of the day, and point Jamaicans to these to this open market where some of these people can take a little much of them off, go trade and turn it into much more. But you cannot do that because of the monopoly. Where you play with the Jamaican people them. Where you want them to come out and look at dirty bank. Where now protect the people their money. You not attack. When you supposed to talk in our country? I can't talk about flipping Rhoda and Andrew HOLNESS. Who gives a rat's ass? Who cares? We not care. We are concerned about the 1.6 trillion Jamaican dollar which cannot be found. We are concerned about the flipping illicit six. We are concerned about the teachers who are dying. Suddenly, sudden deaths. And the Ministry of Health is quiet. While focusing on a flipping focus. And who? On the Ministry of Health? Because he get liquor off a bicycle? Wow! It is so coincidental that Mr. Valiant, who is one of the most popular Jamaican, loved and respected by the ghetto youths them because of his craft and his talent. It's so coincidental that at a time when the country should be focused on matters of importance, you lick him off. You utter everybody on bicycle, you lick off Tufton. Off a bicycle. Bicycle. You lick him off and then break him wrist and it becomes news and everybody is saying flipping well wishes. We want to know about the genocide that has been committed against the Jamaican people them. Christopher Tufton need to sit down in a courthouse in front of some judge, some serious people who are ready to ask, what made my mama dead from this thing where only force if we take? 20% of Jamaica took the stinking dirty vaccine. And our teachers are dying. And nobody wants to talk about how they died. And the families of these people refuse to ask for independent personnel outside of the country to come and do proper autopsy upon them people. Why make them dead so sudden? Because we want to know. AstraZeneca was removed from the flipping market because now we know that we who were talking, we're not telling you say, that's something not right. Who don't force it upon we. You, Christopher Tufton, tell the people them say, if you don't want water, take your vaccine. And Jamaicans are pretend like you don't know. Let me tell you this, you know. Yo, you see me telling you already, you know. Me telling you, you know. Them people here in the government don't mean no good, you know. And people keep wondering, why am I so angry? I am angry because me grew up in a good yard. Where we learn to love and respect everybody. And they care for me Jamaican people them. And to sit and watch how politicians constantly rob and rape we. And kill half the people them. We would like to talk about the medical apartheid that was committed on 20% of Jamaicans. You hear me telling you? The mass genocide. Don't shove it on the freaking carpet. You think a little place we go and we have to put our mask and rubbing alcohol every freaking day upon our hands until some of our hands dry out like chip? Because on tell me how dangerous COVID was. Where is it now? On collect it in one buckle? Where there? Where COVID there? Where is it? Where is there? And we should just pardon no. We should just forget about it. And Jamaicans busy at talk about who for party if we go back in the power. Una talk about who for party if we go back in the power. And this, let me tell you this, you know. Let me tell you this, you know. Let me tell you this. Wake up. Wake up. You see, by now in September, and this is my prediction based on my analysis of what's happening globally with the rapid financial shift. Me say, yo, you see the pandemonium will go break out in Jamaica. Watch a joke. You think politicians not have them passports and how much of them have dual and triple and triple citizenship? And maybe quadruple citizenship? Them can fly out here anytime. Any flipping time. You see the rest of us can't leave yourself. With the 290 odd active gang according to the Ministry of National Security that is here. When them man the hungry and start kick off on the door, all who can protect themselves, protect on themselves. Anybody who can left us, left us. You see, uno politician, you see when the people them ready for uno, your thing say is Molotov bomb, them a go fling over Garden House. And look at that. Today, Juliet Holness, you had the audacity of talking about how no one for instantly, with immediate effect, advance security at Garden House. But the many Jamaicans who are being robbed and raped, and the fact that we have Jamaicans going missing by the minute. More than 2,000 Jamaicans go missing per year since 2018. That is a report that came out of the Ministry of National Security. When you go doing a research, over 2,000 Jamaicans go missing every year. We never know. 151 children went missing last year. Out of the 151, 34 were girls. 134 girls. Already for this year, we have a number of Jamaicans who have gone missing, and nobody can talk about it. We're not talking about these things. When you get up and talk about Rhoda and Andrew and Juliet and a family kind of video them, you don't want to share, you don't want flipping share. Because you don't want to hear the truth. You don't get up over there and chat about freaking gossip every goddamn day. You don't want to talk about these things. Jamaicans are about to go into a state of shock. The US dollar is going to be dying a horrible death by now. And September, the latest, can't sound in every year. The BRICS are going to release them dollars. 97 countries will be joining the BRICS, and Jamaica is not one of them. Why would 97 countries be joining an organized body that is bent on de-dollarizing the US dollar? You don't want nobody to talk about this.
The youth of every country are the future of the country. And I really like the fact that this person is really speaking out to issues that is bothering him in the country of Jamaica. It is up to the youth to always stand for what is right and talk about things that are not going on well in the country that they live in. This gentleman talks about a lot of things that is bothering the country of Jamaica that politicians are not addressing, and yet they are concentrating on things that are trivial and of less importance. It is very frustrating when politicians give attention to things of little importance whilst they leave things that are very important unattended to. And as youth, we need to talk about this attitude of politicians and some of the things that they need to pay attention to whilst they are in government. For example, he spoke about the sudden death of people that occur in the country of Jamaica that politicians are not taking into consideration, or they are not paying particular attention to it. He gave statistics that was reported by a media house that about 1,000 to 2,000 people get missing every single year in the country of Jamaica. And in this, he stated that about 150 of them were children. And I think this should be something of a national concern to the country of Jamaica. Yet politicians do not pay attention to some of these things that happen in the country. He also spoke about the health sector, which he says is not in good condition, and politicians need to work very hard in order for the health sector to be in very good condition. With regards to COVID-19 and the vaccine that was being administered, that is the AstraZeneca, it was later revealed that this product had some side effect, and yet it was being used in the country of Jamaica. So these are some of the health concerns that he raised in the video, and I think the youth are standing to the occasion nowadays all around the world in order to demand accountability from the government. It is about time that politicians and government officials stay up to the task and deliver for the citizenry. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just look at the subscribe button down there. Click on the subscribe button. Click as well on the notification bell. And I'll see you again in my next video.